this channel is one of the best channels that teaches you about maths. So this channel you can always learn a lot of things to do with mathematics, because mathematics is one of the subjects that usually makes us do everything in this world. So when we have the spirit of mathematics, then we are able to do what? To achieve more. So you're welcome to this channel. So we have several questions here, like this one. In an election, Poppy got 3,692,517 votes. What did he get in figures? So in an election, Poppy got 3,692,517 votes. What did he get in figures? So when we check this maths, it says that Poppy got 3 million, so the figure must start with 3 million. And 3 million we always have 6 zeros, meaning it has 6 figures. So we can count this one: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So because it is 7, okay, in an election, Poppy got 3,692,000. So we have 3,692,000. 3,692,517 votes. So my answer in this case, we cannot take choice A because choice A is not 3 million. This one starts with 2 million. This one starts with 4 million. This one starts with 3 million. So we can go for this one. But this one starts with 5 million. So in an election, Poppy is getting 692,517 votes. What did he get in figures? So the figure that Poppy got in figures is this choice here, choice C. So the answer is choice C. Because choice C, this one is 3,692,517. So this answer makes it the best answer. Because in an election, Poppy got 3,692,516 votes. What did he get in figures? So this is the answer, choice C. We cannot pick choice A because choice A is 2 million. Choice A is 294,381. So this choice A is wrong. We cannot pick choice B because choice B is, we start counting from here: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, million. Choice B is 4 million. So choice B is 4,135,619. Choice C is the best answer in that case. That is 3,692,517. Whereas choice D is still not appropriate. This one is also not appropriate when you're writing those figures in words, or in numbers. Okay, number 2. So let's turn here to number 2. So this one is done. So number 2, what is the place value of 9 in 65.319? The place value of 9. So here, this 5 is ones, then this 6 is tens. So from digit 3, we have tens. So this digit 3 is tens, hundreds, thousands. So choice A is correct. That is thousands. These hundreds is not correct because the hundreds in that case is 1. So 1 is hundreds. So this one is not correct. When we come to tens, this one, the one for tens is digit 6. So this is digit 6 is the one that is for tens, ones tens. Hundreds is for digit 1. So the hundreds is for digit 1. So digit 1 is the one that is for hundreds. But now when we come to tens, is digit 6 here. That is tens. That is digit 6. And digit 5 is ones. So when if at all we had ones, then that one could be digit 5. So in this case, the answer that you are having, the place value of digit 9 is this one here. This one. That is 9 here. That is tenths. 3 starts with tenths, 1 hundreds, then 9 is thousands. So the correct answer is A. That is thousands. So let's now come to number 3. Number 3 says work out 7 squared plus the square root of 25. So what is the square root of 7? Is 49. So 49, add it to the square root of 25. And the square root of 25 is 5. So what is 49 plus 5? That is 54. So this answer now becomes 54. So 67 is a wrong answer. 32 is a wrong answer. 58 is a wrong answer. And the correct answer is 54. Reason, 7 squared is 49. Then 25 squared, the square root of 25 is 5. So this one, I'm not supposed to write it square again. So I'm just going to add 49 plus 5, which is 54. So we can now proceed to the next. A farmer, this one is number 4. A farmer planted 594,308 seedlings on January and 135,619 in February. How many seedlings did he plant in 2 months? So this one we are just going to add 59,4,308 adding to 135,619. So when you add it, 8 plus 9, that is 9, 17, 7 carry 1, 2, 9, 9, 12, 7. So the answer is 729,927. And the answer is choice B. So the answer is choice B, this one here. So choice A is wrong, choice C is wrong, and choice D here in this case is also wrong. Okay, so we can proceed to number 5. Okay, which of the following is a 3D figure? So 3D figure is a figure that has both length, width, and height. So 3D figure is just like a figure with a volume. So in this case, volume will refer to length times width times height. So this one is not a 3D because a 3D we can also see the other side, but we cannot see the other side of this diagram here. So this one is not a 3D. This one is a 2D. When we check this diagram again, this diagram is not a 3D, but this one is a 2D because you cannot see the other side of it. When you check this diagram, which is a rectangle that is drawn here, this diagram also is a 2D because we cannot see the other side of it. So the diagram that is 3D is this one. So the answer is choice C. Diagram is a 3D diagram. We have the difference between 3D diagram and 2D diagram. 3D diagram has got the volume, while the 2D diagram, you cannot see the other side. 2D diagram are mostly length times 10 times width, meaning that they usually deals with the area. That is, 2D diagrams deals with the area, while 3D diagrams deals with volume. Okay, so I hope you've mastered that. Let's now move to number 6. Number 6 says, in a certain town, there were 66,000. In a certain town, there were 66,060 people. What is the number of people written in words? This one I've just said about it. So how are we going to tell this one in words? This one is ones. This one is tens. This one is hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands. So it is 66,060. Let's check choice A. 66,006. This one is wrong. Let's check choice C. 666. This one is also wrong. Let's check choice B. Choice B says 66,066. 66,066. This one is also wrong. Choice D says 66,060. So this one is correct. Choice D. So when you're talking about this in words, it is 66,060. And that is choice D. 66,060. So the one for choice A, the one for choice C, the one for choice B, and choice D are not the correct answers. Okay, let's now move to the next one, number 7. Number 7 says this way: write the following sets of numbers in ascending order. So ascending order means ascending order means from smaller. So from smaller number to larger. That is the ascending, from smaller to larger. So here are the numbers that we have: 8,473, 8,734, and you also have 8,347, then 8,743. So among these numbers, which one is bigger in this case? So the bigger number in this case is going to be between 473, 734, the smaller number I mean. So the smaller number in this case, we are going to have this one first. So this one is 8347, followed by 8473. So this one is 2, followed by 8734. This one is 3, followed by 8743. So this one is 5. So let's check in the order that we have. So we have the first number that you have just drawn in that case. So the first one you have said starts with 8347. So let's pick a number that starts with 8347. So this one is wrong. 8347, this one is also wrong. 8347, so this one is also wrong. So we can go for this. So it starts with 8347, followed by 8473, 8734, then 8743. So this one is the correct number according to the ascending order. So that's when we say that this one is the first one, then this is the second one. So the second one is 8473. That's why we have it as 8743 here now. Then we also have the next one should be 8734. Let's check from where we've written 8734. Yes, here. That is the third one. And the mwisho, the last one, is 8743. And that's why we have 8743 here. So this one is the number that is arranged according to the ascending order. Ascending order means from the least number to the highest number. So we start with 8347 to 8743 to 8734, then to 8743. So this number here is written in ascending order. Ascending order means from the smallest to the largest. From the smallest to the largest. Okay, let's move to the next one. So the next one we have something like this. So we are asked to how many cubes did they use to make the stack, the whole cube? So here we shall 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is 4. Then here is 1, 2. Then it's 1, 2. Then here is 1, 2, 2. So in that case we have 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So this one is the answer. The answer is 16. So the answer is not 18. This is wrong. The answer is not 8. This one is wrong. The answer is not 20. This one is also wrong. So the best answer in that case is this one is length, width, then this one is height. So we shall have 4 of this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one multiplied by 1, 2, that is 2, multiplied by the height is 2 times 2. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. And that is the correct answer. Okay, so let's move on. Pupils of Gadogo were asked to work out the LCM of 12, 6, and 15. Which is the correct answer? The LCM of 12, 6, and 15. Let's work it out here. LCM of 12, 6, 12, 6, and 15. So that is the LCM. So how do we work out the LCM? We are looking for a number that can divide any of these numbers. So let's start with the least number. And the least number is 2. 2 goes into 12, 6 times. 2 goes into 6, 3. But 2 cannot go into 15, so we leave it there. What we are finding is the least common multiple. Let's check 2. 2 again can also divide this. 2 goes into 6, 3. 2 cannot go into 3, so we leave it at 3. But 2 cannot go into 15, we leave it as 15. So now the number that you are having is 3, 3, 1, 5. So in this number we are only going to pick 2. No, not really 2, but 3, because 2 cannot go into 3 and 15. So let's pick 3. 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 15. How many times? 5 times. Then now the last number that you are picking again is 5. So 5 goes there once, 1, then 5 goes into 5, 1. So the number that you are having in this case, is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Because I've just picked 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So when we work out this one, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. So our LCM is 60, or the least common multiple. Least common multiple is 60. So when we check to our choices there, we are going to find that it is 60. Okay, so we have 12. So 12 is wrong because our answer was 60. We have 3. 3 is wrong. Our answer was 60. So this one is the correct answer. That is the LCM of 12, 6, and 15. So 30 is wrong. So let's proceed. A milk vendor had 8 3/4 liters of milk. How many liters of milk did she have? Okay, a milk vendor had 8 3/4 liters of milk. How many milliliters, exactly how many milliliters of milk did she have? So in this case, the milliliter of milk, we are just going to multiply by 1000. So it is 8 3/4 liters, 8 3/4 liters. So let's again change this fraction into an improper fraction. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32, and 32 plus 3 is 35 over 4. Multiply by 1000, this case. So we shall say 4 goes here once, 4 goes into 100. How many times? 25, that is 250. So 35 multiplied by 25, in this case we shall have 25 to 15, 17, 10, 6, 7. So 5, 7, 8. So we shall have 8750 milliliters of milk. So the answer should be 8750, and this one is the correct answer. How many milliliters of milk did she have? So she had 8750 milliliters of milk. That is choice B. So this one is wrong, and this one is correct. This one 8500 is wrong, and this one is also wrong. So what you're going to do in this case, we've just taken 8 in 3 over 4 liters. Then from there we've converted into milliliters. That is, we multiply by 1000, and the answer becomes 8750. So if you're joining this channel for the first time, remember to subscribe, and you shall always get more of this. Okay, let's proceed. So 27 over 36 is equals to 4 over, okay, so this one is just like 4 multiplied by, what has brought 36 here? It is 9. And what about this? This one you shall also multiply by 9. So this one is 9. So the answer is 9 in that case. So this one, the answer is A, is 9. Work out this. Round off 48932 to the nearest hundreds. Now we are going to look at tens. We're going to stop at tens. So let's check where hundreds is. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 9 is where 100 is. But you're going to look at a digit before 9, that is 3. If that digit is more than 100 or less than, if that digit is more than 5 or less than 5. Because 3 is less than 5, so it shall change to 0, 0, then this one shall change to 9, then 48. So we shall have 48 900. So 48 900 is the correct answer, and that is choice C. 48 900, choice C. So this is wrong, this one is wrong, this one is wrong. So the best choice, this one is also wrong. So the best choice is choice C. So if you are asked to round off this number again, 48 932, we are asked to round out 48 932 to the nearest thousands. So you are going to check ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Then you settle here, you stop here. Then you go to the number between thousands, before 1000, that is 9. If 9 is more than 5, because 9 is more than 5, so this one is changed to 0, 0, 0. 9 is more than 5, you shall add 1, so that it becomes 49,000. So 49,000 could be a choice if this one was to say to be thousands. If this one was thousands, but because it is not thousand, it is 100. So the answer becomes choice C, 48,900. 48,900. Okay. So let's proceed. Unless anyone has got a question, please, if you have a question, just write there as we proceed. I shall always answer them later as we continue with our learning. Let's move to the next number, number 13. Number 13. Number 13 says multiply multiply 589 by 274. Allow me to do it somewhere. 589 times 274. Okay, so 589 times 274. This one is what shall be the answer. 589 multiplied by 274. So this one is just, I shall allow you to work it out. Shall allow you to work that one out. Let's proceed. So, collect like terms together. We have 5p, 3t. So like terms are the ones that are the same. So we shall have 5 plus p. P is 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6p. So 6p. Then this one is 3 plus 4. So we have 6p plus 7t. The answer is B. So this one is wrong. A is wrong. Choice C is wrong. Choice D is also wrong. So when we collect the like terms together, we are going to arrange the p's together, like 5p and p, and 5p plus p is 6p. 3t plus 4t is 7t. That's why we have 6p plus 7t here. Find the highest. Okay, find the highest factor. Sorry about that. Find the highest factor. Find the highest factor of 18, 24, and 36. So the highest factor is the number that is bigger. We can talk about this one as the greatest common divisor. This one you can just check by looking at these choices. 3, let's pick the highest number here. 12 cannot go into 18. So this one is wrong. Let's check 9. 9 cannot go into 24. So this one is wrong. So we have the number that is 3 and 6. So the bigger number in this case is 6. When you check 6 can go into 18, yes. 6 can go into 24, yes. 6 can also 6 can also go into 36. So the answer is choice B. So this one is wrong. So that is how we work it out. So 18, 24, 36. The highest common number is 6. So 6 can go between all these numbers. Which triangle is this? 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. So this triangle has got 60 degrees from both sides. 60, 60, 60. So this type of triangle is by choice C, equilateral triangle. So it is a triangle that usually adds up to 180 degrees, and it has 60 degrees on both sides. So this one is, and the type of triangle in this case is an equilateral type of triangle. Reason, this triangle has got how many degrees? This triangle has got 60 degrees from both sides, and they are all add up to 180. So the type of triangle is equilateral triangle. Let's check this. 18. What is the reciprocal of 5 whole in 3 over 6? 6 times 5 is 30, and 30 plus 5 is 35 over 6. So that is 35 over 6. So the reciprocal is 6 over 35. So the reciprocal is 6 out of 35. 6 out of 35. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 5 is 35 over 6. Oh, so it is 6 out of 35. And the answer is C. 6 out of 35. This one is wrong. It's wrong. This one is also wrong. Exactly. 19. Work out the square root of 625 plus 3 squared. What is 625? 625 is 25 plus 9, because 3 squared is 9. So 625 plus 9. The answer becomes 625 plus 9. That is 633. So there was no answer in this case, because it is that, sorry, not that one. The square root of 625 is 25 plus 9, because 3 squared is 9. 25 plus 9 is 34, I mean. So the answer is A. The answer is A, 34. Because 625, the square root of 625 is 25 plus 3 squared is 9. The answer becomes 34. The answer becomes 34. So let's move to the next one, number 20. What is the area of the shaded region? So we are going to multiply the area, this area first, and we have 32 multiplied by 25. So what is 32 times 25? 32 multiplied by 25. So here is 10, here is 16, here is 4, here is 6. So 0, 10, 800. So this one is 800. So this one is, the outer figure is 800 centimeters square. Okay. What about the inner? It's 26 times 21. Okay. What is 26 times 21? 26 multiplied by 21. Here is 6, 2, 12, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 546. So we shall have 800 minus 546. Subtract. Here we shall have 452. So here the answer is 254. This is wrong. This is wrong. So the area of the shaded region, we are going to work out the area of the outer, that is 32 multiplied by 25. Then we shall take the area of the inside, that is 26 multiplied by 21. So the outer area is 800 and the inner area is 546. So in subtract, we shall have 254. That's why the answer is D. Okay. Let's continue. Work out. 63 divided by 9 times 3 plus 4 minus 6. Here we are going to use 63 divided by 9, which is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. 25 minus 6 is 19. So the answer is 19. So this one is, the answer is 19. So this one is wrong. This one is wrong. And finally, this one is also wrong. Okay. So here, the figure below represents a school compound. So work it out. We shall have 20. We shall just add all these together. Then we shall find. So this part we've talked about this, about an election. Then 7 squared plus the square root of 25, you get it. There's this as 49 plus 5, then says 54, because 7 squared is 49 plus the square root of 25 is 5, so then